안녕하세요 여러분. 필리핀 K-친구가 리자예요. 우리만이에요. 만나서 반갑습니다. And welcome back to another video. And for today's video, we are going to do a quick unboxing, and we are also going to see what's inside my second package from Moija K-friends. Yes, so we will also be able to see what are the goodies that are included in my second package. So the first package was actually Learn Korean with BTS, and today I'm going to show you what's inside. So let's go. Korea Tourism Organization. K-friends. I love the 𝙬𝙊𝙍𝙬. And again, 𝙁𝙊𝙍𝙁 recipe book. Yeah. Official travel guide. This is very helpful if you are going to visit Korea. So there are a lot of things that you can find here, from different kinds of destinations to the official map. And of course, it's in English, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry translating everything. And yeah, this one. 𝙤𝙊𝙆𝙀. Wow. Yes, and let's start. Ooh. One thing that I really love about K-friends is that packaging are so good. Yes, okay. So the second package is actually Kingdom Friends goodies. Yes, I have traditional bag. And look at that! How bag decoration. And yeah, it's certified Kingdom Friends. And of course, Korea Tourism Organization. Okay, let's see. Three cute character pens. This is actually 𝘾𝙊𝙆𝙁, 𝘾𝙊𝙈𝙈, and 𝑚𝑜구. Yeah, wow. 𝙤𝙊𝙆𝙍 mask. Okay, it's mask. Kingdom Friends mask, and it's actually 𝘾𝙊. And this is actually one of my dream shirts. Okay, let's see. It's the Kingdom Friends shirt. Ooh, see? And I love that it's actually unisex. And the size is also universal. Wow. I've got this one again. It's actually Kingdom Friends phone holder, or we call it phone ring character, of course. And yes, I've got two of this bottle. Alright, let's see. It's super cute. It's Mogo. It's Mogo. And the other one is 𝘎𝙊𝙆𝙍. It is so good. Like super duper duper good. Okay. Next. Oh, I love this! Kingdom Friends! Ah! File holder. File organizer. Oh my. This is so good. Feel the rhythm of Korea. File holder. I've got 3 of them. I so love it. Okay, so this actually are the things included in my second package, and yeah, they're very helpful for me. So yes, thank you so much guys. And if you wanted to join K-friends, yeah, I'll leave the link on the description below. You can sign up on the website, and don't forget to join our Facebook community group, Moija K-friends, where you can share your love and passion for Korea, and of course, get a chance to win this exciting prizes from Moija Market. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day. 고맙습니다.